our face mask and chill day. So if you're brand new and you're like, what's going on? Pause, well, listen, then pause. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, is it day 5? I think it's day 5 of January 2020 Box Week. If not, whatever day it is of Box Week, you're catching me in it. And it is January 2020 though. That part I'm sure of. So real quick, if you're brand new to the channel and you're watching this video and you're like, I want to be a part of that little YouTube fam thing, click the red subscribe button below this video, join our forever family. And for everybody who is like a regular on my channel, y'all know what day it is. It is our face mask and chill day. So if you're brand new and you're like, what's going on? Pause, well, listen, then pause. Grab yourself a face mask, pause video, put on a face mask, relax. This is our once a month, we do our like little self-care face loving session while I open up this subscription box, which is going to be the Facetory box. But I am going to be putting on tonight this Neogen Mexican aloe sheet mask because my skin has been like real iffy. I've talked about this like all week long. You're probably like, okay, we get it. Your skin's been iffy, Drew. Whatever that means. Basically, my skin's just been iffy. So I am going to put this mask on. It's really gooey. I feel like an aloe mask would be good because I'm trying not to like rock the boat too much with my face because I'm going between that, like I don't want to overly hydrate, but also like my skin needs to be soothed a little bit because it's so frustrated with like the weather outside. So I figured aloe would be the wisest decision for a face mask. I'm trying to get this on though. It's really not cooperating wonderfully with me to get this taken out and put onto my skin. I will say on my hands it feels great, but it doesn't want to get onto my face. Alright, hold on. Let's go. Okay, that's better. It's getting on. Oh, it's really cold. Goodness gracious. By the way, you guys, guess what I got Helicopter Mom for Christmas? I got her one of those little skincare fridges and she's like dying. Like she like literally started tearing up over the little skincare fridge, and she's putting her face mask in it and she feels super fancy. I actually don't have one myself, but her and I kept seeing them and she thought they were so cute. So I was like, Mom, I got you a skincare fridge for Christmas because I just feel like it's really cute and you need one. So trying to get this on though. It is really gooey. Oh my goodness, this has got a lot of, like my hands. Hold on to go dry off my hands because it's literally nuts. Alright, that's better. So, tonight I'm also putting in a few masks into our Stockpile Giveaway. So I've actually been holding on to these for a while, these Soap and Glory masks. And I ended up getting a lot of these. I think this was actually like a while ago. I got a bunch of these masks and I'm not using them fast enough and I don't want them to sit in my box and like never get used. These are good masks. It's not like they're not good. It's just like I have so many masks right now. Like I have been buying masks like crazy, which I should stop doing, which I'm working on myself on that. But basically I've been ordering a lot of face masks and like because I've had these, they're getting lost in the shuffle. So I'm going to put these 3 masks into the Stockpile Giveaway. This is What Appealing Purifying Declog Mask, and then 2 of the, oh my goodness, I'm dropping it, Pore Refining Masks from Soap and Glory. Those are going into our Stockpile Giveaway, which is basically completely full. And then now we're going to get into opening the Facetory subscription box. So Facetory is a monthly subscription for face masks, and I love this box because it actually helped educate me a lot on skincare and face masks, like in the Korean beauty realm. I remember when I started doing face masks, I really didn't know much about what I was doing or what I was getting into, and I just kind of was actually really leery of them. I felt like, what are they going to really do? Were they going to really work? And then now I'm like obsessed. As you guys know, I have like a gigantic box and it's crazy. So Facetory, they have a couple different options. They actually have a few different boxes now, which is really cool. They've grown a lot, but they have the basics are they have one that's like a 4-pack that you can get every month, which is about $10 a month with shipping, and then this one ends up being about $20 a month with shipping and handling. This is the 7 luxury. So this one we're going to get like multi-step masks. It's really going to kind of widen your horizons when it comes to face masks, and this one I love. Helicopter Mom ended up getting this box. She loves it too. So let's just get into this month. So on the top they have a little card here. This is going to tell us all about the face mask inside, as well as any special bonus items that they gave us. Oh my gosh! I've actually tried this mask before. This is really funny. So on the top we have Comfort Me Air Mask from Prem. I remember I saw this, I think it was like a year ago. This actually when Josh and I were long distance and I was visiting him in Kansas City, and I saw this mask and I was like, oh my gosh, what's that face mask? I've never heard of it. And so it's really cool. I remember this mask also cost like $6, like when I was at, I think it was like at Target or something, but this mask was like super expensive, and I was like, I don't know how I feel about that. Also, camera, can you not be super creepy and dark? That's too much. And then also, actually, hold on, we're gonna go back for a second. We have a Balancing Light facial cream from Facetory Artemisia. So they actually started doing like face care products. My box is a little bit bent, I will say that, but I don't think that like reflects on Facetory. I just will say that the box is a little bit bent. So they started doing like all kinds of like different skincare products. So this is the Facetory face cream. And let's see here. It says, protect your skin and add in extra moisture with this lightweight cream that glides smoothly on your face and sinks in like a dream. Let's see here. It is, this lightweight cream balances our skin from becoming too oily and also heals, hydrates, and brightens. A trick we love. Squeeze the cream onto the back of your hand, add in a few drops of calming glow weightless facial oil, mix and apply. This tip provides added moisture and gives us an overall glow. So let's see what this smells like, because like the cool thing is Facetory as a brand is like getting really awesome. Like they actually have like their own product line too, which I think is really cool to see, as well as they still offer a lot of different masks for people to try. Hold on one second. Got a little sticker on it. Let's try. Oh, a lot came out. That was unexpected. Like a lot just like popped out there. I'm using a lot right now. But I'm trying to see like if it has like much of a smell or anything to it. It is like lightweight. It's almost like a really, really light lotion. It doesn't have too much of a smell, which is good because I don't like stuff to have like a super huge smell. It is really gentle. I don't think I would use this as like a full-on like moisturizer, but like an additional like step. So like right now I actually in the morning will use like more than one moisturizer on my skin to kind of make sure that my skin is fully hydrated because of how like cold it is outside. So that would be a really good addition to like your skin routine, is adding in that as like an additional moisturizer. So there's that. All right, so we're gonna go back into the box again. We have the Comfort Me Air Mask from PREM. Next we have ID Real Aftercare biomask with vitamin K3, which is right here. And then let me actually tell you about these masks. Like I don't know why I didn't actually like tell you about the air mask, probably because I saw it in a store once, so I feel like I already know about it, but I didn't actually know about it, and that was one of the things that was ironic. So the air mask, we'll go back to that one. This video's all over the place, but if you guys know me, you get me and you're cool with it. This mask, it says, find comfort in a sheet mask that is light as air. This mask contains amazing ingredients to help plump up the skin and provides a radiance that makes you look like you just had a relaxing facial. And then there's a protective film on it, so make sure you remove that when you put it on. But basically it's light as air, which is great. All right, and then the ID, and it's actually by Play Cosmetics. This biocellulose sheet mask, we're talking about the second one now, which is, if I can pick it up, it's right here. This biocellulose sheet mask fits perfectly and ensures your skin receives all the wonderful essence made to calm and hydrate the skin. This mask will make your skin happy. This has sea whip extract and Hatunia cordata. There's 2 protective films on this mask, so make sure you remove them so you can apply it. And then basically it gives your skin a super boost of hydration. All right, cool. Next we have a MediHeal Collagen Essential Lifting and Firming Mask. I was like spitting a little bit there. It's really awkward. Like I don't know what just happened, but I was suddenly like super eager on my words. So this mask is a lifting and firming mask from MediHeal. I've used this brand before. It's a really good brand. Allow your skin to feel rejuvenated. This ultrafine mask fits every contour of the face for a comfortable sheet masking experience. It's got hydrolyzed collagen and hydrolyzed elastin. And then apparently they said, oh, so this mask is really cool. They said you should wear it for 10 to 20 minutes or until the logo appears. So like there's a logo on it, so when you see the logo on the mask, that's when you take it off. That's actually really a cool way to know when to take your sheet mask off. This one is the Beautiful Factor, and this is a moist sponge aqua mask. Okay, this low pH sheet mask moisturizes and soothes the skin for a fresh and glowing complexion. It's got citrus, I can't say a citrus peel extract, we'll just leave it at that, and then lactobacillus ferment lysate. And essentially this mask feels so comfortable on our skin, almost like a sponge. Whenever we use this mask, our skin looks healthier the next morning. So this is one I guess sounds like it's good to use at night. And I also find it interesting that that it's supposed to be like a sponge, because you'd think that you wouldn't want to do that. I don't know. Next we have Calming Mushroom Sheet Mask from Alicia Coy. So really funny, I actually just did the other like Alicia Coy mushroom mask we got a while ago. I was really leery of it because I was like, what if it smells like a mushroom? I can't live with that. But it didn't. It was actually like really nice and it had almost like a minty fresh smell to it and I really enjoyed it. So I'm actually like, yeah, awesome that we got this one in here. Say yes to hydrate and moisturize skin. This sheet mask contains reishi mushroom extract and provides skin with a beautiful plump look. And yeah, it actually does. And then we have the Lotus, Pure Lotus Leaf Mask right here. And so it looks like you were getting either the blue one or the pink one. I got the blue one. So Helicopter Mom's probably gonna get the pink one. I'm gonna be jealous. Give your skin a calming treatment, and only because it's pink, by the way. So either you got a soothing and brightening or anti-wrinkle. So I got the soothing and brightening. So give your skin a calming treatment with sheet mask infused with soothing Nelumbo, I can't say the word, Nucifera leaf extract to help calm and hydrate the skin. Okay, so that's cool. And then finally, oh my goodness, you guys, look at this one. This is a Yada Red Energy Mask. This is dope. Look at this. Look at how fancy this looks. It just looks like luxurious. I don't know about you, but I like it. This red foil mask contains 8 ingredients that revitalize and energize skin. Foil masks prevent moisture from evaporating, allowing the essence to be completely absorbed into the skin. Okay, so to recap our box today, we got the Comfort Me Air Mask from PREM. We got the ID Real Aftercare Biocellulose Mask, which I think this one is one that has like 2 films on it. It's supposed to like fit really well on your skin. We got the MediHeal Collagen Lifting and Plumping Mask, which you're supposed to leave it on until you see the MediHeal logo. We got the Beautiful Factor Sponge Mask, which I'm excited to try this, and also feel like it's weird because it's a sponge and you're like, you feel like, I guess to me I'd be almost worried that it was gonna pull moisture away, but obviously technology of sheet mask is a lot better than what I would assume. The Calming Mushroom Sheet Mask from Alicia Coy. We got the Blue Lotus Soothing Mask here, which is a 2-step mask. So you use this part first and then you do this part after. And then we got the Yada, the Energy Mask, which has like 8 awesome ingredients. And then we got the Facetory like moisturizing cream, like the full size Artemisia moisturizing cream, and the cream itself actually they sell for $20, so I feel like that's really awesome that they put this in the box. This is something they sell on their website for 20 bucks. So overall, I love the box. Again, it's one of my favorites. If you watch this and oh, I forgot to tell you guys the most cool thing about this, and I literally totally just forgot till right now, so I guess I didn't totally forget, but so you guys, I actually now have my own like Facetory code to like save money. Like I've been finally, like Facetory finally I guess like noticed me, and they gave me like my own affiliate code. So when you go on their website, if you want to order something and try it, you can use the code Justlikedrew20 and you can save money on your purchase. I cannot believe I forgot. I was telling myself all month, I was like, Drew, you gotta tell them when it's Facetory box that they can use Justlikedrew20 to save money. And like, I totally forgot till like right now. So yeah, if you're watching, you stayed till the end of the video, Justlikedrew20 to save money on Facetory's website, which I was super excited about. I don't know, I feel like it was cool. As well as I do have my own special link that you can click on to get right to the website as well. So yay! Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you are a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button, download this video, and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I forgot to take off my sheet mask so we can see what my skin looks like. Hydrated, awesome. All right, thank you so much. Talk to you, love you, goodbye, goodbye. Full price is expensive, and you're like, I don't know if I want to buy it in case I don't really remember how much I loved it. So this is the Exfoliate. This is a really good exfoliator, so I believe it's green. I'm trying to smell it. It has a really strong